Guys, I'm trying to take thumbnail. Please click that, please. Ah, wait. Hello, it's you. Welcome to my house. I'm trying to split for you guys. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. Wait, oh wait, I must do this. Oh, don't underrate me. This is ridiculous. This is the most ridiculous house tour you will ever watch on YouTube, okay? You know, military life. This is our bedding situation currently because none of our stuff is here yet. So this is how we've been sleeping. And when you turn here, this is where we're gonna have the TV right over there. And we just bought this TV also because, you know, none of our things are here. The TV is new, the bed and everything is new. Where the bed is now is where the couch is going to be. So this is what we got going on, and we have this huge window, and I feel like I'm going to be filming here a lot because there's so much light. Remember these posters that I showed you guys the last time in my videos? I finally got the frames for them. So they're just ordinary posters, just like so. Freaking expensive. I would say if you want to spend money for quality, you can use these people. They are called Poster something on Instagram. But if you know you don't want to spend money, please just forget it. They're hard papers. They're like cardboard paper. They are not normal papers. I have put them all in their frames. They look so beautiful. So tomorrow when I get back, I'm going to hang them all on this wall. I mean, some of them. Not all. I plan to put some in the bedroom. I haven't figured it out yet, but this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I love the frames, gold, and you know, this has more of a white. So this is what this place currently looks like. It's just plain, and I'm not really feeling it. Like, it's just not nice because on the other side I have this guy. So on this side I want to put something. So I got that mirror over there, and I also got that stool over there. So I'm gonna do something with here so it's not just a plain wall. So guys, this is the door. This is how you come in. When you come in, this is the first thing that you see. So this mirror right here, I got it from Amazon. I honestly don't know who the seller was. I just went on Amazon and typed in like gold wall decor mirror, and that's how I got this one. And this thing up here says all of me loves all of you. I got it from Bed Bath and Beyond. So when you turn and leave that mirror, watch, the next thing you see is this whole setting back here. So basically I'm gonna go through all of this and show you guys where I bought what. So the first thing, of course, that stands out is this white TV stand. I got this off of Walmart during the Black Friday sale. Of course, it's a seller on Walmart. So Walmart is like, sometimes Walmart is like Amazon, okay? So people also sell through Walmart. On top of it, I have this little flower pot that I made by myself. I DIY'd it. So I bought the pot off of Amazon, and then I got the flowers inside of it from Walmart, and then I got the sand from my backyard. So that was how I did that. I put the sand in there and then put the flowers and made it look like I planted them. So that's how I got that. I also DIY'd that bottle in there, and this is what we've got. And this TV, we had it back from Italy. We're just utilizing it because it's a huge TV. It looks really small on the camera, but it's really big. So when we move over here, this is what we've got. I also got this over here off of Walmart, and this is what it looks like. So that's a gold candle. I don't light that one up because it's not inside of anything. It's just a normal candle, and I don't want to burn the place. Dollar General is where I got this off of. This is our engagement picture in Paris, and that's near the Eiffel Tower. So there's the second part here is this guy here. I got this in Italy, some of our books, and on here I got this from Italy. I got this case here from Italy. It's from IKEA, and then I bought this thing inside of it from Ross. They're like nice scented, I don't know what they're called. So here I have some books, also another engagement pictures of him on his knees. I'm gonna give you guys an engagement story. You guys are gonna laugh so hard. I got this candle up here, and then as you guys can tell, the Eiffel Tower is kind of significant to us simply because you can see why. So that's why I have an Eiffel Tower up there. Another white Pampas grass that I got, and then I got this thing here from Bed Bath and Beyond. So that's that. I got this nice flower over here off of Amazon. I really like it. It looks really natural. You can't even tell it's like you know, it's artificial. So that's that for here. And we got this coffee table from IKEA, and I got this thing that is holding it right here. I got it from Ross. I got this from IKEA, Italy. I got the candle from Hobby Lobby. So this thing here, I got the bottle from Italy when I went for a trip to like a tour, and they gave it to us, and I DIY'd the things that are inside of it. I got this flower off of Ross. So when you move away from there, the next thing you see is the wall behind the couch. So I got all of these things here, both the frame and the art inside of them, from Poster something on Instagram. These things here are freaking expensive, okay? I bought only the art, and then I was like, maybe I can find the frames off of Walmart, but for some reason this sizes of frame, these sizes of the sizes of the poster, I couldn't find them off of Walmart, and it was the most annoying thing ever. So I had to order the frames from the same place, and it cost a hand and a leg. This couch is an Italian brand from Italy called Casatua. That's where we got this couch from. Honestly, we are actually planning to change the couch. We liked it when we had, you know, back then, but now we're not feeling it anymore. I'm not feeling the color. I'm not feeling anything about the couch. I barely am here. Hobby is the only one that is always here. Like, I don't do anything here. I'm a bedroom girl. When you move over like this setup, I put them here yesterday. Literally yesterday was when I did this whole thing here, simply because I was buying everything one after the other. So I bought the Pampas grass off of Amazon, and I had to get the vase from Ross. So I had to keep the Pampas grass until I got the vase. So it was just a lot of stuff. I got this love sign from Hobby Lobby. I got this book thing from Hobby Lobby. It's not a book, it's like a, let me show you guys what it is. It's like a little storage space you can put things inside. So it's not a book, but it fits perfectly into here simply because it has a lot of like gold design on it, and you know the whole theme of the house is kind of gold and white. I got this candle off of Hobby Lobby also, and it says love. You guys can see I'm a lover girl. I like love a lot. I got this mirror from Hobby Lobby, and yeah, this carpet, when we were in Italy, I really liked it, but for right now I don't know how I feel about it. It's just that it's really feels good on the legs, so I kind of like it, but I don't know how to explain it, but you guys get the gist. I got these two things here from Hobby Lobby, and yeah, that's just the setting on this side. We have a balcony that leads out right there, but yeah, this is what we have. So over here we have this thing that when we come into the house, we pull our shoes and stuff right here, and I just turned this little thing here into like a flower basket. I thought it was really cute. I don't know. So basically I bought all these flowers to do something with them, and I just lost interest and bought Pampas grass instead. So then I just put it into this basket and put it right here. And so right there you see this setting right here that I showed you guys before. So guys, that's all that I've actually been able to work on. The only places that I've actually concentrated on so much is the living room. I'm taking it one step at a time, simply because, you know, I'm not like one big YouTuber that can just take $10,000 on furnished house, you know what I mean? So I'm doing it as gradually as I possibly can. So for now we're done with the living room. At least I'm done. I don't know if Hobby has something else that he wants to add, but as for me, I'm done with the living room for now. As you guys can see, I feel like it looks very livable. It's not like, oh my god, but I think it's a bit Pinterest worthy, don't you think? See, don't come for my interior decor, okay? Just leave me. I'm a novice, but I feel like I've done a very good job. So let me know in the comment section what part of this house is your favorite. Let me know how I did with my interior decor. I've never really had to decorate anywhere like that. Back in Italy, whatever was there was whatever Hobby got, okay? It was until we got to the States that I told him to just leave the house to me, even though he told me leave my living room alone. I said nice, I will not leave your living room because if I leave the living room to you, I don't think that you will be able to do what I want. So basically the idea of this house is actually like the theme of this house is gold and white, and you can see that gold and white is mostly the predominant color here, but of course there's a little bit of some other things here and there. For example, the coffee table is black. The reason for that is because these are things that we already had before I even made the decision to turn the whole house white and gold. So I had to make use of what we have. I can't just throw away the coffee table. I know I can sell it, but it's a very beautiful coffee table that I like. But if I was to decide, I would prefer it to be gold, but it's black and I think it fits perfectly into the center rug, so I think that's okay for now. So I do plan on changing some things as I go, but for now this is what I've got. I actually feel very proud of myself simply because this is actually my first project that I've had to like embark by myself and do. Hobby is barely around. He literally came back from military school and saw that I've already done all of this. Right now he's not around, and I had all those things back there. I put them back there by myself last night after work, so he doesn't even know about this. Like, he will be finding out as you guys are finding out what that place looks like, that corner. So yeah, most of the time when I go to work, I just pass by Hobby Lobby or wherever. Sometimes I just order things online. When they get here, I do my thing. He just comes home and sees that the thing is there. It's beautiful, it's our stuff, so if I see it and it's good, I will buy it. That's how I feel. And you know, when he wants something, he will share it with me. He'll be like, babe, look at something that I saw, I like it. And if it's something that I feel like, yeah, it's nice, like this stuff, I'm like, yeah, let's get it, and we'll get it. So that's how it's been. The next part that I want to concentrate on now is the bedroom and then my home office. So when I'm done with all of those, I'm going to show it to you guys. For now, I've only been able to finish up with the living room. So you guys have been asking, give us a house tour. So I said, let me show you guys what I have done so far. Let me know in the comment section what you think about my decor. And I guess that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Please take care of yourself, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios. Bye.